You might have to put that up more when I speed up. It's going so slow now, it's not bleeding. Just stop it with the pump for a second, make sure it catches, right? Before I put this rod up front and bring the gas back.
Second planer going down. Checking the drags, making sure we're good. That's looking good.
Danger getting spooled, right?
No. You can leave it. Planer.
Out away from the prop. I'm not going to do the same mistake. I might have to stay on that line.
I'm not sure. Not sure I still have it. I don't know. Yeah, he's there.
Wheel. Way back it down, but the other one is in the boat. Okay?
Yep.
Turn the boat a little.
Yeah, you're good. Do what you got to do. He's under the boat. He's right here. He's right here. Nice.
Redemption.
Let's go, baby.
Redemption.
Woo! Stud. Let's go. Now let's get another.
We'll bleed them in the well.
About 15 pounder, 12, 15.
It's a little smaller than one yesterday, but I'll take it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Woo. It's got to be there swimming at the boat.
Oh, it's a dolphin.
Yep. Here, keep reeling on him while I get this planer.
I got it. Wow, I'm off.
Swimming at the boat? No, he came off.
Alright.
We are fishing. Officially fishing.
Let me get that. Stay on the rod.
I'm gonna walk back.
Hold him tight.
Yep.
Be aware, I'm not on the wheel.
Yeah.
You want to try to get him going into the other plane line.
Yeah, he's going over. Hold up.
Be careful. Oh, get this in.
Hold up. I got him. Mike, I got him.
Yeah, guys, you get this in anyway. If you get him close, you can go all over the place. Just hold him. Okay?
He's right here.
Alright, never mind.
Not big, but.
He's not that big. He's a good one though. Alright, hold on. Come to my left. Okay. I slashed him with that. Yeah, he's a good one.
Decent, hell yeah.
Wow. On the plate, or we just
Let's go.
Get me real quick. Get my camera.
Nice dolphin.
They're hard to get, ain't they? Speed back up again so we're fishing.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's what you meant.
Mahi tacos, baby! Woo!
That was a good idea you had coming here, Sis. Man, you're like a fucking genius.